Hello everyone, welcome to Career Talk. Today I got a comment from one of my subscribers that he or she was able to negotiate a very good offer after listening to some of my videos. Now, while I just provide guidance, it is also important that you are able to execute it when you negotiate with the companies or when you negotiate with the HR. So congratulations to this particular subscriber. And I'm also thankful for acknowledging that some of my videos were helpful in the negotiation process. What I want to touch upon today is one question which I saw on Quora, where somebody has asked that they have two offers in their hand. One is from Deloitte and another is from Infosys. The particular offer from Deloitte is offering a salary of around 11.5 lakhs with the title of consultant, while Infosys is offering a salary of 11.75 lakhs with the title of technical analyst. Okay, so this particular question caught my attention, and when I went through some of the existing answers, what I noted is that in one particular answer there is some advice given, and this particular answer has thousands of upvotes and thousands of people are liking this particular answer, and I tended to disagree a bit with this particular answer for two reasons. Because when you have an offer from Deloitte and Infosys and the titles are different, one is consultant, the other is technical analyst, and salary is more or less same. There is hardly any difference of 25k between the two salary offers. So the advice that I saw which was given in this popular answer is that this person should go for Deloitte, and this person should go for Deloitte for two reasons. One is because the title of a consultant is better than the title of a technical analyst, and the second advice is that generally it is perceived that Deloitte gives better hikes as compared to Infosys. So when you join Deloitte, you will get better hikes year over year, and you will be able to beat Infosys salary in due course of time. Now, why I disagree with this particular piece of advice is for two reasons. One is, you should not get carried away by looking at the job title. Okay, what sounds fancy as a consultant in Deloitte and what does not sound fancy in technical analyst in Infosys is actually immaterial. Why? Because you know as an individual what are your skills and what is your experience and what is your expertise and what is the right title suiting you for your job. Okay, so it doesn't matter whether consultant sounds fancy or whether technical analyst sounds fancy. Okay, what you need to look at and what you need to understand from grade perspective is that when you join any particular company, you should understand at what grade you are joining. Okay, these grades are generally A, B, C, D or 1, 2, 3, 4, but you need to know at what grade am I joining. So if you are joining Deloitte in one particular grade and the other offer is from Infosys for another particular grade, you need to actually look at it top down. Okay, so from a CEO level or from a topmost level, how many levels down is this particular grade? Because each company will have their different hierarchy, so it is very difficult to figure out which grade is better in which company. So for that, you need to start top down and understand that, okay, if I am joining as a consultant in Deloitte, then how many levels are there between this consultant and the CEO or any CXO level position. Same with Infosys, you can do that. That way you will know whether you are joining at the same grade or whether you are joining at a different grade based on the offer. So that is how you look at the titles and the grades. Now about salary, there is a huge perception that builds over a period of time based on how the company performs and what kind of salary hikes is given year over year. But while the general perception is that company A is giving more than company B, what we need to understand is that appraisals or salary hikes are absolutely dependent on your performance. Okay, so if you join one company which gives very good hike, but if you don't perform, of course you will not get hike in that particular company. So the 2-3 parameters which impact your salary hike are performance of the individual, performance of the company, performance of the particular business unit in which they belong. Okay, and then you can look at the policy of the company and understand, okay, this particular company has a very good policy and they believe in profit sharing, so probably the hikes may be better. But having a perception that one company gives you better hike than other generally does not apply to each candidate. Okay, each candidate is different and their performance is different. The business unit in which they work will be different. The customer they work will be different. So the hikes will also be different. So don't get carried away by general perception posted by people on social media. Okay, if I start a business today and if that business does not work, so I will go and share my experience that this particular business does not work. So likewise, if somebody has worked for Deloitte or somebody has worked for Infosys, and if their experiences are good or bad, accordingly they will give you advice. But while making such important decisions, you need to understand that you don't get carried away by general perception on the social media. You need to do due diligence for your specific role, skill set, experience and expertise. I hope this was helpful. I'll leave you with 2 more videos. Have a look at them as well. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.